No, we're not fighting a forest fire in the backyard. Although it kind of looks like it. Tell us what we're doing.
Well, we're burning out the duff in an area here that we've come through and cut all the brush. There's a lot of duff, little itty bitty seedlings, and we've done a little bit of lopping and scattering of some small brush. So that's getting burned up at the same time as well as we're burning this area. So it's reducing the leaf litter to what is a normal proper level. It also is killing ticks, it's killing other parasites and bad things for the trees and the forest and for us.
It can also be very rejuvenating for different types of seeds and different types of plants that rely on ash.
Purification, yes.
And yeah, ash and fire to propagate and more bloom. So it'd be interesting to see what's going to come up this summer.
It's surprising how much fuel, how many BTUs are actually contained in this small layer of leaf litter that is right next to the house.
Yeah, well, it's going to burn one way or another, as we keep saying.
We'd like to burn it under our control.
Right.